Hi, sorry, guys. Hi, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You may have water in your chart. This is spirit animal messages. Information, including timestamp, will be in the description box below. I just realized something. I lost my train of thought again. I believe that's about it. So let's get started with Cancer. So this is what came out for you, Cancer. My camera's being difficult. I don't know why. There we go. Alright. I don't know if I said this. This is my third time trying to get this video going. Sorry. What came out for you, Cancers? 2 kittens you must choose. Snow White and her animal friends. You inspire trust and confidence. Little owl, wisdom is light as a feather. So 2 kittens you must choose. You must choose between 2 people or 2 situations. You can't have both. You can't have the best of both worlds. Something's gonna give. Something's going to, maybe some resentment, maybe some frustration, maybe too much burden, too much stress, something collapse. Something unhealthy will manifest, and it wouldn't be good for you or the other person or the situation you're in. You must choose. Really don't know the specific situation. I'm just saying, it's saying you gotta choose. Snow White and her animal friends. You inspire trust and confidence. This is saying a lot of people look up to you. You have a lot of admirers. You have a lot of things, a lot of support behind you. Because people feel like they can trust you. A lot of people admire your confidence. Maybe you encourage people, empower people. Little owl, wisdom as light as a feather. Maybe you're giving maybe you're trying to receive some messages, like some wisdom. As simple as, your intuition telling you not to go somewhere. Your intuition telling you to do something. To not trust someone. Your intuition is as light as a feather. You might be getting some hints, some synchronicities, something that is trying to get your attention. You need to pay attention to those things. You need to maybe look up some angel numbers, some feather meanings. Maybe you're seeing some specific animals at certain times of the day. They may be your spirit guides, and they're trying to tell you something. So look up some spirit animals and their meanings. Maybe you're seeing something in a dream. Look up some dream meanings. Or you may be needing to give some wisdom. Maybe you are needing to share your wisdom with others. Maybe, the smallest thing of, for an example, like, you found it better to shower in the morning to get yourself awake and up and ready. Maybe someone could try that, Some simple hacks, some simple wisdom might benefit someone else. You must choose. I feel like I need to go deeper into these kind of messages. So, you must choose. When it comes to you must choose between two. Maybe write the pros and cons of both people or situations and weigh them out. Or, write if it's a person or people you have to choose between, write the pros and cons, but also write what attracts you to either one of them. Like, for example, so-and-so makes you smile and is caring. Or so-and-so, brings you food when you ask for it. Which one is kinder, more gentle, more sensitive, or whatever you like, Write the good things about a person and the bad things about the person. Write what attracts you to them, whether it be their body, whether it be their thoughts, the way they act, something, so you can get an actual aspect of what you're thinking of this person or these people. Why is it even difficult for you to choose between these people? Maybe one of them makes you feel accepted, makes you feel wanted, while another satisfies you physically. So you need to really think about that and consider that. Are you wanting to not be lonely? Are you not, this isn't to be rude or mean or anything, but are you valuing yourself? Are you respecting yourself? What do you deserve? What is your worth, in a sense? If it comes down to two people, which one will help you grow and benefit, and which one you can see yourself repeating certain cycles with? Can you see more arguments with? I mean, arguments is healthy, but certain arguments aren't healthy, if that makes sense. With you inspire trust and confidence, I feel like, this is saying keep doing what you're doing. You're showing the world that they can't knock you down. This is showing you that you have a support system. You have encouragement. You may not see it, you may not know it, but when the time is right, they might show themselves. You may be just winging it, and you need to, keep doing whatever you're doing, because it's definitely sparking something. That's pretty much what I got for these three for Cancer. We're gonna move on to Pisces. I hope this helped. I hope it resonated. And I'll talk to you soon. Alright, this is for Pisces. Bats in the belfry. You can achieve great things. The black cat The black cat lost magic, atonement, rebalance. Dragonfly mermaid. You've attracted wonderful news. So for Pisces, I feel like you can achieve anything you want to. I feel like you've been waiting to shine with all your wisdom, your knowledge, with all whatever you got. You can bring it to the table. You just need to shine. You need to let it be known. Speak your truth. I think you're, smart. I think you're great. This is saying that you can achieve great things if you put your mind to it, Don't let anyone or anything hold you back. The Black Cat, Lost Magic, Atonement, Rebalance. I feel like you're out of balance. I feel like this is not to be offensive. This is not to be rude. I feel like this is saying that you need to realign yourself. That you need to balance yourself out again. You need to find that magic that is within you. Like, you need to get in touch with yourself. You need to get to know yourself. You need to trying to find the right words, so sorry I'm taking so long. But this is really talking about you're out of balance with yourself. Maybe your energy, maybe yourself. When I refer to energy, we all have divine masculine energy and divine feminine energy in us. So I'm not referring to a specific gender. You can be a male and have feminine energy. You can be a female and have divine masculine energy. We both have these energies in us, and it's not to be offensive, it's not to be rude. It's the energies of all of us. Maybe you're acting more feminine in situations, or asking more masculine in situations, or you're not aligning with yourself, your beliefs, your morals, your anything, and you need to get back in touch with you. Maybe you need to make some adjustments. I mean, maybe you've outgrown certain things, but you still need to stick to your truth, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm confusing you guys, so we're gonna move on to Dragonfly Mermaid. Sorry if I confused you. Dragonfly Mermaid, you've attracted wonderful news. Well, that pretty much says it all. You've attracted wonderful news. Something you manifested may be coming to light, coming to you. It may take some time, but something you've manifested. Something, maybe you worked hard in your job and you're going to get a promotion. Maybe, you self-loved yourself enough, had self-confidence, something. You may attracted someone that you wanted in your life, someone positive for you, someone healthy for you, something positive, a new job, a new home, a new car. I don't know the situation, so I can't be specific on what wonderful news, but something great is coming your way. It may not happen tomorrow. It may not happen tonight or morning. It may not happen within a week, but it's coming. Something great is going to happen to you. Only you know what you've been waiting for. But then again, The universe doesn't give us what we want, it gives us what we need. So this wonderful news could be anything. Just expect the unexpected, all I can really say. But whatever you're doing, you're on the right track, but you really need to rebalance yourself. Get back in touch with yourself. Learn yourself. Make adjustments where it needs to be. Take time for yourself. Maybe you're giving too much to someone or to something. That's all I really can say. I hoped it helped. I hoped it resonated. I'm moving on to Scorpio. Alright, this is for Scorpio. Frog Princess. Heed wise counsel, listen. Pose brave flight. You will not let fear stop you this time. Alice in a sea of tears. Cast away out of your depths, feeling abandoned. So, heed wise counsel, listen. You need some wise advice in a situation or with a person, and you need to listen. If you're stubborn, you really need to listen to this advice because you may be stuck. You may be too much in your head about something and it's time to get advice. You may be consumed with something and you need to take a different approach. You really need to hear someone else's opinion or many other people's opinions to get a different perspective on something. With Pose Brave Flight, you'll not let fear stop you this time. Maybe something stopped you, your fear, yourself, but you're going to take action this time. You're going to do something. You need to be brave. You need to be courageous. Get out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to take risks. Speak up. Stand out. Don't let fear control you, or it'll control the rest of your life. And fear, when it controls you, is not a good thing. It's not healthy. It's very toxic. This isn't to put you down. This is not to make you feel bad. This is just trying to give you some advice. Hopefully that helps. And hopefully you understand. Not saying you can't understand. I feel like I'm talking in circles. I'm talking nonsense, so please forgive me. Alice in a sea of tears, cast away out of your depths, feeling abandoned. Maybe you feel abandoned by someone. Maybe you feel possibly abandoned by a Cancer, because there's a crab here. But
Let's go, Mama.
hang on. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to get my kids to sleep.
Mama, more cup. Go.
Come on, babies.
I got a furniture. What do we call it? A cup. Cup. I buy cup. I buy cup. A cup.
Come on, babies. Come on.
Wait.
Sorry about that. I'm trying to get them to bed, and they are being stubborn. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, so maybe you feel abandoned by Cancer, maybe you feel abandoned by your friends, maybe you feel abandoned by people. You're not alone. There is a mouse, there's a crab, there's maybe one or two or a few others that you don't know about that do care about you and that are there for you, that are listening, but they also might be going through their own things, or they just don't know how to help you. But you do have support, and you do have friends, even loved ones maybe, that are there for you, that do care. Maybe a text, a call, a message away. You just gotta reach out. You're not abandoned. You're not alone. Everything's gonna be okay, and if it's not okay, then it's not the end. Okay? I hope this helped. I hope it resonated, and we'll talk to you guys next time.